Welcome to another tutorial from MACMAN Pro Ltd. In this video, we will show you how to change the background of the general screen of your DVM color display. Follow along with these easy steps to personalize your screen and make it your own. Steps. Step 1. Start by tapping with your finger over the digit of the speedometer on the main screen of your DVM color display. Step 2. This will open the menu list. Tap on Settings to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for a row named Design on the right side of the screen. Tap on the Set button located next to it. Step 4. You will now see a list with various designs, backgrounds, to choose from. Step 5. Simply select the design of your choice by tapping on it. Step 6. Once you have selected your preferred design, the menu will automatically close and you will see your new background on the screen. Don't forget to repeat the procedure to check out all the available themes. That's it. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on our latest products. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.